to do an intro. Well, I didn't have time to in the hotel. We woke up late and we were in a bit of a rush, so we had to rush to get the bus. Today we're heading over to Typhoon Lagoon again. Hopefully we don't get stuck on Misadventure Falls. We'll have to see. Walking to Disney Springs bus stop. Looks like it's telling me I need to turn left here. Let's walk. See what's around. Looks like some fossils there. It's pretty cool. What else is around? That's pretty cool. Is that made purely of Lego? Looks like it. 2D image. The polite pig. So we need to get here and we are where? There. Okay, let's continue straight then. Made it to the bus stop.
Well, my brother drowned. Well, his ship crashed. Okay.
Now I know, in a previous episode I already showed you the waves, but that was with a different camera. With this new camera, I can do slow-mo. Check this out.
I think I caught that. I got one more just to be sure. Yeah. Right, last one. There it comes. Oh, that's a big one.
Let's go. Right now in the toothbrush gusher. Last time we did banana and absolutely loved it. So I'm assuming coconut will be just as good. Time to go on coconut. Crush and gusher coconut.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Ready. Thank you very much. Oh, God.
I just look at his face.
We can't see it.
And then the coconut.
Oh! Round. Oh, it's not working.
And we're here.
You want to go back to the chair? Come here.
Time to go on Misadventure Falls. Heading up the escalator right now. Let's hope we don't get stopped this time. finished off with Typhoon Lagoon. We're going to catch the bus and get some dinner now. I'm quite hungry, and I'm sure the rest of my family is. Playing some nice music. We're heading past the House of Blues. That's our bus. We can turn around, so made it here on time luckily. Usually this is the end of the route for this bus. They usually wait 10 minutes because you can't go with the board. So this guy, well, he's actually been really nice and let us on with the AC. So shout out to him. Well, anyway, we're going to chill out here until the bus starts moving and we arrive at the hotel. We're here on International Drive, hunting for some food right now. What's that in front of us? Looks like some sort of dropper maybe? I don't know. Some sort of... Oh, there's a Ferris wheel on the right. Not sure what that is in the middle. But look at that on the left. Imagine going on that.
Oh, we're not going on that.
This is like that's Icon Park, by the way. We can try and get that another day. And yeah, I'm gonna continue my hunt for food. But I think we figured out where we want to eat today. And it's CC's Pizza. Let's go in. I'm actually going to turn off the camera actually, so yeah, I'll show you what we've got in a moment. Bye bye. I got myself a mac and cheese pizza here. I've had one of these before, but I want to see what it's like now, so I'll give you a bite. I will show you my first bite of it. Very good. I've got myself some food at CC's. I've got myself some garlic bread, chicken, I think that's like hot sauce on there as well, chicken hot sauce, and a veggie pizza as well. And I got myself a large drink of Coke. The bus finally arrived. We're on the way home now. Thank God, I'm really tired. But anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here, so hope you enjoyed it.